Proper PPE is essential to safety while handling concrete. For example, the guy on the right has his hard hat, safety glasses, and work boots. The guy on the left has his hard hat, safety glasses, and Nike running shoes so he can run away when objects are falling. The first step in a concrete slump test is wetting the cone and base with clean water. After wetting the base and cone, secure the cone to the base. Evenly fill the cone a third of the way full with concrete. The next step is rod the concrete 25 times evenly without hitting the base of the cone. Wow, those rod speeds are superb. The next step, fill the cone 2/3 full with concrete. Rod 25 times while not penetrating the bottom 1/3 layer more than 1 inch. Fill cone full of concrete and rod evenly 25 times. If concrete falls below threshold, stop and add concrete, then continue rodding from where you left off. While rodding, don't penetrate the middle third layer more than 1 inch. After rodding, use the rod to smooth out the excess concrete on top. After leveling off concrete, clean off the base with your hand, then unsecure the cone from the base. Then remove the cone in a slow, continuous upward motion. Do not twist the cone. In rare cases, concrete can spontaneously explode. After cleaning up the rubble, find someone who can actually use a measuring tape. Measure from the top of concrete to the 12-inch bar on the base plate. The distance will be your slump number.